This is an old wooden handled screwdriver that belonged to Matti. Survived all these years. Now, one question someone might ask, well, why does that have a wooden handle? Why not a plastic handle like this modern American screwdriver, or a plastic handle like this British screwdriver? Well, the answer is simply that Matti was born in 1885, and the first synthetic plastic Bakelite, or Bakelite, I'm not sure how it's called, didn't come into existence until the 1930s, and it wasn't until after World War II that plastic really got going. So why wouldn't it have a wooden handle?